Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photos into a GTA inspired masterpiece with Picsart. So in here, what you need to do is open Picsart apps and then create a blank canvas. And then here, find the add photo button and then click on search and just type in GTA. Click on enter. Then choose the background that you want. So for example, in here I'm going to use this one. So click on the background, click on add, adjust the size, and after that you can just go to effects, click on the magic category, and then choose the neo pop options. Click on adjust and choose the mode into lighten. This one, click on a check icon, and then you can just add your photos. So find the add photo button again and then find the photo that you want to on the GTA background. Okay, I'm going to find one. For example, I'm going to just use this ones right here. So click on a photo, click on add, and then remove the background. And swipe and go to effects, choose AI, and then select the cartoon AI effects, cartoon 2, this one. Wait for it to apply to the photos. Okay, after it's apply, you can click on a check icon, adjust the positions of the photo like this, for example. And after that, here you can click on a check icon at the top, add a sticker, and then find the GTA stickers in here. Okay, I'm going to add this one. Click on these stickers, adjust the position. I'm going to go in here, and after that, here you can click on this. I'm going to just make it smaller and put it in here, and that's it. So this is the final result, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.